Hello, 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 be a star. It is your manager, Connie, and I'm coming to you live today real fast because I wanted to um, not invite, welcome all of our new consultants to our Be a Star Tupperware unit. If you've never met me, my name is Connie Welcher, and I am the top line manager of the Be a Star Tupperware unit that you're part of. And so thank you so much for opening your account, joining our team. And because we have so many new consultants, I did want to hop on real quick and do a refresher on how to set up a party in our back office or Jenkon. And I noticed that we didn't have it tagged underneath our guide section. So what better time than now when we have brand new consultants for asking how to do that. So we're going to go ahead and do a real quick tutorial on how to set up a party in the back office and how where you can find your party link and add guests to it. Okay, so we are going to share my screen. And we are going to, we need to go to, hold on. There we go. Had to get the right screen up first. Okay. Okay, so after you've logged into your back office and someone says, yay, they want to book a party with you, to set up their party and their party link, it's very, very simple. It takes about 15 minutes. You're going to need their name, their address, their phone number, their email address, and the date and time that you want to host the party. Now, if you are setting up a party from a party, it becomes even easier. You just click booking on the guest's name and set it up that way. But if this is a brand new party, we're going to go up here to the top scroll bar here. We're going to say create a party. And that is going to open up a party link for us. And we want to select a party host. Now, if it's a new party host for you, and most of you will be, you would just create new hosts. If it is a previous host and you have her name or her email address, you should be able to type it in there and it will bring up the information that's already stored. And so if it's a new host or a new customer, you would then just do the same thing, but create new host. At that time, you would put in the host name, address, phone number, email address, and then click save. And what will happen is the computer will give you the correct address so that you can confirm the address, and then it will create the host. I'm just going to go ahead and put in, I have some hosts that are already booked and in. Okay. So when you have a new consultant or a host that's already in there, it will populate the information for you. And so your new party information will look like this. You'll have the shipping address and the party address will be the same, but it doesn't have to be. If you're shipping to the host address and say, for instance, you're having the party at a different location, you can then change that address to the different location. I always recommend that the party names that you put the host's full name and just Tupperware party, because they know it's a Tupperware party. Your guests don't necessarily need to know what the theme is if they are shopping online. So we'll just say Sally Sue's July party. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to find the date. So we'll say that the date is Saturday. And we will set the time for noon because she's going to have a noon fun party. All right. And the duration of the time isn't necessarily necessary. So I just leave it at 1 hour. You can change the time zone if that is going to work for you. If you're partying with different hosts at different times, you might want to change the time zone so that her guests see the party in her time zone and can understand that. Otherwise, you can just leave it at your own time zone. You scroll down and it will ask, it automatically puts the party link on your website. So her guests can simply go to your website and click open parties and find her party to shop with. All right. And if at worst the guests go and just shop on your website, you can always link the order to the party as long as it is not linked to another party. So you definitely want to remind her guests to check to make sure that they are in her party. It will say her party at the top, and it will have your information as well, so that they know for sure that they are shopping in her party. Down at the bottom, these comments, these are comments that you can place. So for instance, if you are doing a specific recipe, or you met her at a specific place, or you promised her a certain gift for her order, you can put all of that information here. Only you see these comments, okay? And then last but not least, we want to save the party. So we click save, and voila, our party is done. It was literally that fast. Now to find the party link, see this reference number here, that is actually our party link number. So to find the party link that you can share with your host and with guests for them to shop, you would go into manage invitations, and the button that says copy party link, you just click that button. You see down here on the bottom that you get a notification that you have copied it, and then you can paste it into a Facebook party. You can paste it into a messenger. I highly recommend that you message yourself. If you're on Facebook, message yourself with the party link, and that way you can text it out if you have access on your mobile device as well. So this is also where you can add guests if you have their email addresses. So for instance, if you wanted to, you could encourage that host to get you her top 10 VIP guest list and all of their email addresses, and you can add them to the managed invites, and Tupperware will send them a special invitation to the party. So Tupperware will do the party work for you. It's really awesome that way. You can also send pending invites and send reminders as well that way. Also, when you're putting in orders, you go into the party order area, you'll see that you have an order card yourself. Sally Sue has an order card as the host, and you'll notice in her little star icon, it has the house because she's the host and that's where it's at, right? And you are the consultant, so you are the person, you're the man, right? When you enter other guests, they will have different icons as well. And if they place an order online, it will have that globe icon in it, so you can know that that order was placed online, all right? And then I will actually do another tutorial on how to enter orders and close out parties. This was just a real quick tutorial to show you how to set up a party so that you are ready to go. And then if you click your sandwich icon on the left-hand side and your drop down, you can always find your parties under sales and scroll down under manage parties. And there we can see Sally Sue's party is all set up and ready to go. And I can always click into it to add people, to change the dates and time, to add orders, and so on. Now, if you, let's stop my share. If you collect orders for a party and put the orders in manually in the back office, those orders do not ship until the party is submitted. So if they are for special orders or special offers or limited time offers, I would highly recommend that you shop in the actual website or in the actual party link as the guest, so that that order goes directly into the party, is processed immediately, and that it will be sent out. And you don't have to worry about things selling out before the party ends. So I hope this helps. And go ahead and scroll through all of the rest of the tutorials in the new consultant guide. There are also other guides for more advanced tutorials. And I look forward to seeing you the next time on how to submit parties on that tutorial as well. So again, welcome to our team. Welcome to Be a Star. Be the star that I know you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.